Hey guys, it's official. The world's first Infinity O-display phone, aka the Samsung Galaxy A8s, is finally official with this 6.7mm camera roll, and we also have a screen protector leak of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and honestly, this looks beautiful. And other things we've talked about in a bit. So finally, after so much competition, Samsung has indeed beaten Huawei and became the first one to this Infinity O race. And if you're wondering that this punch hole camera is the only thing or feature here in this phone, so no, this phone also be the first Samsung phone to have no headphone jack. Yes, the jack is dead. There were rumors in the past that Samsung might ditch the good old headphone jack in future phones like in the Note 10 or S11, but I honestly thought that's not gonna happen, but I was wrong. This is indeed be happening. But the interesting part here is that the S10 family will have a headphone jack, which also confirmed by some case leaks as well. With the Galaxy 8s, they are telling us that they ditch it in future. Now other than that, the Galaxy 8s also a very special phone, special Samsung phone, because first off, this is first one to have a punch hole camera design. Also it resembles with the Galaxy S10 family, which will be the Samsung's 10th anniversary flagship phone. Now other than the design, it has a 6.4-inch LCD display with 19:9 aspect ratio, and the bezels are very slim here, which looks very futuristic, and the hole is 6.7mm in size, which definitely looks bigger in real life. But the Galaxy S10 is expected to have a 3.7mm hole on OLED display. So inside the hole, here's a 24-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture, and on the back here's a triple rear camera sensors, which is exactly the same as of the Galaxy A7 2018. Like the main camera is at 24 megapixel with f1.7 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 5 megapixel other camera, which is used only for depth sensing. And inside the phone we have a Snapdragon 710 chipset with a 3400 mAh battery and with support for fast charging over USB-C port. Now as for the software, it has an Android Audio out of the box, so no Android Pie here, but you get Pie update early next year with the Galaxy S9 and Note 9. And today A8s Universe is back with one of the member of S10 family, and that is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So this is the screen protector of the Galaxy S10 Lite. If you are wondering about these bezels on this screen protector, because these bezels are even more smaller than the S10 and S10 Plus, so yes, it has even more slimmer bezels because it has no curved edges. It will have a flat panel display, that's why it has a very minimalistic bezels design like what Apple did their iPhone, whereas with the curved edges it's quite tougher to minimize the top and bottom bezels. And A8s Universe also shared the render of the Galaxy S10 Lite, which definitely looks amazing. Also the OLED for Beyond 2, aka the Galaxy S10 Plus model, has been seen in the wild, which further confirms that this pill-shaped camera is indeed be happening on the S10 Plus. So that's all on the Samsung's first Infinity O display phone, aka the Galaxy 8 as well as the Samsung Galaxy S10. Let me know what you think about it, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to subscribe for more upcoming futuristic content. And yeah, see you soon.